Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jimmy. Today we are going to see how you can create a Facebook business page for your business. Yeah, many of you might be there when you have your businesses or when you want to create a business, but that business may be needed to be advertised, maybe on social media like Facebook. So you might be there when you don't know how you can start advertising your business, like for more people to reach it. So here Facebook has made it easy so that you can create a page like a business page and you advertise your business there so that you can be reached by more people. So today we are going to see how you can create a business page for your business on Facebook. So let's go. Here you make sure that you have downloaded your Facebook app from the Google Play Store. Then you come and tap on it. Now for my case, my Facebook app is here. Like, you come and tap on that Facebook app. Then after tapping on it, you just come and after tapping on it, you just come on these three lines up here, these three lines up there, and you tap on those three lines to open. So when you tap on those three lines, you just scroll down here and you look for page. You just look for pages here. Just scroll down and look for pages. They are there. So you just tap on pages. So when you tap on pages, you'll see that they will show you that share more with your customers or fans. A page can help you to connect with and learn about your audience on Facebook for free. So here you just come on create the page. Just come on create the page here, there, and you tap on create the page because you want to create a page for your business. So here you will see that create a page is a space where people can publicly connect with your business, personal brand or organization. So millions of people discover and connect with pages every day. So here you just come down here and get started. You just come and tap on get started here. So you'll see that by clicking get started, you agree the terms of Facebook pages terms. Yeah, you just agree the Facebook pages terms. So just come and click on get started. So they'll display for you like the name of your page. Choose the name that reflects what your page is about. So here you can put a name of your business, like if you want to like any name of your business or your personal name, anything. Like if you want to create a business, maybe like you're a musician, you just put like the related name, like if you want to deal in electronics, like electronics so much. So if you want like to deal in electronics, you just put there the name related, or you just put your name. So what's better? So to use the name that is related to your business will make more people to know your business quickly. Like if you deal maybe you do online business, you just put there like digital marketing, anything related to online thing. So it's not like why you did in online business and you put your name, it will not work. So any name you want to put here, you come in, put it there. Like so, you choose a name that reflects your page is about. So here down also they say I want to use this page to sell products or provide services. So you just tap here to page name. Let me say I'm in beauty fashion. You just come here and pull beauty fashion beauty. Just come here and put beauty fashion. Let me say I want to deal in beauty. So you just come and tap on beauty fashion. You come on next here. So then when you come on next, you'll say display for you, choose category for your page. Here this category describes based what your page is about. So this helps people to find your page. You can add more categories later. So like you choose any category that base describes your page. Like if you like so here like to choose the category for your page that describes based your business. So if like for me I deal in beauty and fashion, that means I'll create, maybe I'll choose a category that is related to beauty and fashion. So you come here and see that in the categories here you will see that beauty services is there. So you just come and tap on that beauty services. So select a subcategory. You can also select a subcategory. So beauty, cosmetics and personal care. So because I'm in beauty, I'll just select this, or hair replacement, anything, so or use suggested. Also they suggest 5 categories here, like health, beauty, grocery store, musician, anything you want. You just put there and come on next here. sorry. So they are saying invite name, creating content with this name is not allowed. Try another name. So like they want me to try another name. Maybe let me try another name like so. If you come here, you'll just see that your page will be created. Then after the other time, if like they disturb you to like something went wrong, you just come back, you'll see that your page will be created successfully. So you just come here and you tap on your page you created. Then when you tap on it, your page will be successfully created. Like you just open it and edit anything you want to edit there. So you just come here, like if my page has been created, you just come here and like you can put, maybe there are some important next steps down here. You just tap on the important next steps and you edit. You can add a profile picture, you can add a cover photo, anything you want to add, you can just do it. Anything you want to add, like you can do anything here, like you can invite people to like your page and anything. You can edit your page the way you like it to edit, the way you like it to look. So here you just come like and create everything you want on this page. So you can promote it, you can put there like you can put there the page profile. They just put it there, and you can put also like the page cover photo. The page cover photo also is here. You just put it there, the page cover photo in that space. Like also the page what, the page pic, you can put it there. In anything you want, you can add a profile picture, you can add a cover photo and everything. You just follow the instructions to customize your page. So let me hope the video has helped you, and please, if you are new here, consider subscribing, liking and sharing this video so that people can benefit from it. So thank you for watching and thank you for being here with me. This is Jimmy from MJ Tech ID. I'll be sharing more videos with you concerning Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, WhatsApp, everything concerning Android phones and Android settings. So just subscribe and keep here with me to benefit from me, and I benefit also from you. So please, if the video has helped you, comment down there, put a comment in the comment section to know what you've not understood, what you've not gotten, so that we'll be able to make it also. So thank you for watching.